Hello, welcome back. In this session, we will learn how to push our Docker image to Azure Container Registry. Well, I am Ramkrishna. Let's get started now. As you know, in the previous video, we already created Azure Registry. Let me show the registry. In this registry, as of now, we don't have any Docker images uploaded yet, and if you go to the access key in the registry settings, we can see that registry name, login server, and username, password and password 2 is available. Using these values, we will create our local image to this Azure container. If you see in the Docker extension we have in our Visual Studio Code, we have a Docker image in our local system that is built by this Docker file from our project we previously used for our video. What we want to do is we need to upload this image to the Docker repositories. Once we upload it in the repositories, it will get listed. So let us see how to do this using command prompt. Go back to the Visual Studio Code and list the images, Docker images in our local system. We have image name called Core Web App in Windows Docker with a tag div. So to push this image to our Azure container, first we need to log into Azure container. To log in, go to access keys, copy the login server, and go back to Visual Studio Code, command prompt. So I previously logged into the same Azure container, so it didn't ask me the authentication for that. Anyway, I will show you guys how it will be in the. If you see, we have a Cloud Shell which is given by Microsoft Azure itself. Let's open this. It will open a terminal in the browser itself, so there is no need to create a separate terminal to execute Docker commands. So we have a terminal opened in the browser itself. So I will show how to log in for the Azure container using this terminal. We need a login server URL to log in. Just paste it over here. It will ask for username. We have username, and copy it to clipboard and paste it here. It is asking for password. Now just copy it and paste it over here. If you see the message login succeeded. So this was the same steps I followed in login to in my local Visual Studio Code. So let us tag this image to tag this first. We will tag this image, then we will push that to Azure Container Registry. So let us see how to tag the image now. We need image name along with the tag. Then we need login server for Azure Container Registry. So we have URL for Azure Container Registry, and we have our image name, and let us tag it. Once we tag that, we'll see the new image, tagged image is created for us. If you use docker command to see that. we have an image already tagged for this. So let us push this image to Azure Container Registry. Actually, just change this command. That's previous command. Just push. That's it. So it have access to Azure Container Registry and is pushing our image to the container registry. Yes, image successfully uploaded to Docker container. So go back to repositories in the Azure portal where we created our Docker registry. Yes, the image is successfully pushed there. So we can create app service from here or deploy to a web, or we can create a separate app service for that, as we seen in our previous video. That's it guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe it. Thank you.